Good morning everyone. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 2.2. Prove the following. Question number first. 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse in bracket 3x minus 4x cube, where x does not belong to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Now take RHS. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Let x is equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse x. This now write sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. X is equal to sin theta. Put here in place of x sin theta. Sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. X power 3, so x sin power 3 theta. Since we know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. This is formula of sin 3x. So according to this formula you can write sin inverse sin 3 theta. So sin inverse sin 3 theta. So since sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, so you can write 3 theta. Theta replace according to this 3 sin inverse x. LH, yes, this is proof. Question number 2. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse in bracket 4x power 3 minus 3x, where x belong to 1 by 2 to 1. So now take RHS, you can show LHS. So cos inverse 4x power 3 minus 3x. Now let x is equal to cos theta. So now put x is equal to cos theta here. So you can write minus cos inverse 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Since cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta, this is formula cos 3 theta. So cos inverse you can write cos 3 theta cos 3 theta. So since cos inverse cos x is equal to x, so you can write 3 theta. So theta implies that theta is equal to cos inverse x. So now you can say 3 cos inverse x. LHS. This is proved. Question number 3, tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So, solution of this question, tan take LHS. So, tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. This formula used in this way. So you can write tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 24 upon 1 minus 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. So tan inverse, now take LCM. So 11 into 24 and 11 cancel out. So 24 into 2, 48 plus 24 divided by this. So cancel 24 get 11 into 7, 77 upon. So this is, you can write 1 minus 7 to the 14 upon 11 4 the 44, 11 to the 22, 26. Also you can write tan inverse 8 or 7 1 8 or 7 15 or 7 plus 4 11 12 125 upon 264 upon 264 minus 14 divided by 264. So this cancel out. So is equal to tan inverse 125 upon 0 5 and 2 1 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. This is LHS proved. Question number 4, prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 upon 17. So now take LHS. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. Since 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is formula. So you can use this formula in this way. So you can write tan inverse 2 1 by 2 x, this is x 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square and plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So 2 cancel out. Tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 is plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So tan inverse 1 upon, take LCM, 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So tan inverse 1 upon 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So tan inverse 4 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So this is used since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So this also use is equal to tan inverse 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 upon 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. So tan inverse, now take LCM, 7 3 21 and 7 28 plus 7 3 upon 21 minus 4 upon 21. So 21 cancel out. So tan inverse 31 upon 17. This is answer LHS proved. 8. Question number 5th, write the following function in the simplest form. Tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x not equal to 0. Change into tan inverse tan form. This change into tan. So tan inverse tan, this according to this formula you can solve. So now let x is equal to tan theta. So now change x. So tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So tan inverse root 1 plus tan square, so root sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So also you can write tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Also you can write sec 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So also change tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta cancel out. So tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Use formula half angle. So you can write tan inverse 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2 theta by 2. So minus tan inverse 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 1 cancel out and tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So sin cancel out, 2 cancel out. So tan inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So tan inverse tan theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2. Change this. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So 1 by 2 into theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Question number 6. Change into simplest form. Tan inverse 1 upon root sec square minus x square minus 1. So let x is equal to sec theta. So now change x in sec theta. So tan inverse 1 upon root sec square theta minus 1. So tan inverse 1 upon root tan square theta. So identity sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So tan inverse 1 upon tan theta. So tan inverse 1 upon tan cot theta. So now change cot theta in tan. So tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. So tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So tan inverse tan theta. So pi by 2 minus theta. Since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, according to this you can change this. So theta change in x. So theta is equal to sec inverse x. So now change pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. This is answer. Thank you.